Hey, so do I need accounting software if I use Shopify? Well, yeah, you can use accounting software in order to eliminate kind of manual tasks and you can add automation to your accounting processes. I can share one cool app that I've shared quite many times on my channel with you for accounting. It's a bookkeeping and accounting software for e-commerce that also works with Shopify. It's called Link My Books. In the description, you're going to find a free trial link to Link My Books with a special free onboarding and also a 50% off special coupon code. Now, Link My Books can help you connect your sales channels such as Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Square, or WooCommerce to QuickBooks or Xero for accurate e-commerce accounting on Autopilot. It can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. And in this video, I'm going to share some resources with you that will help you. So in the description, again, free trial with the best offer, free onboarding. So accurate e-commerce accounting on Autopilot is Link My Books. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for. Automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks. Built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So again, integrations, that's the cool thing about this app basically. So stop wasting time gathering data from your sales channels. Use Link My Books to integrate them with your bookkeeping system. So in case of Shopify, for example, Shopify integration, sync Shopify payments, payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, and summarize all other payment gateway sales too. So for example, it can be used with Amazon integration, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, and then Square and WooCommerce. Again, as I mentioned, it can be used by sellers, e-commerce sellers, and accountants and bookkeepers. In the description, if you're an e-commerce seller, then there is a video with the co-founder of Link My Books, Daniel Little, where we show you how to use Link My Books. And it's a 30-minute tutorial where we go from A to Z and show you how to use Link My Books. So even before you onboard or anything, you can watch this video just to understand exactly how it can help you as an e-commerce seller, as a Shopify seller. And that's the video in the description. Again, free trial, free onboarding, best discounts. If you're an accountant and bookkeeper and you want to onboard more clients, more e-commerce clients, if you want to improve the accuracy of your accounting kind of services, and if you want to save more time by automations. So as an accountant and bookkeeper, you can use Link My Books too. And in the description, you're going to find a video where we show you from A to Z how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants with the co-founder, Daniel Little. 41-minute video where we dive deep and explain to you everything, how it works from A to Z. We talk about the pricing as well in both videos so you understand the pricing of Link My Books too. And again, in the description, free trial with the best offer for Link My Book, special coupon code, 50% off for 3 whole months, and also the free onboarding. And my name is Vova Evan. I'm an e-commerce seller myself and also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with Link My Books by clicking on the link down in the description, then I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. In this way, you can support my free content, and I'm truly grateful if you choose to do so. I can keep my content free on the YouTube channel for you and everywhere. I have no paywalls at all. On my website as well, bovemet.com. I keep my content free. So doing my best, enjoying time. Hopefully this will be useful for you. Good luck to you in your business. Be well in your life as well. Good luck.